Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials. Your laptop's Wi-Fi adapter is enabled, and you know the SSID and password. Once confirmed, click the network icon at the lower right of the taskbar to open the network list. If you don't see any networks, make sure airplane mode is off and the adapter shows enabled. This prevents wasted steps. Now locate your network name in the list and get ready to select it. This is where you actually begin the connection process. Once you click your SSID, choose Connect and decide whether to select Connect automatically for future convenience. Enter the Wi-Fi password carefully. Passwords are case-sensitive, so use the Show Password option to verify if unsure. If the network is hidden, click Hidden Network and type the SSID before entering credentials. After submitting, Windows negotiates authentication and assigns an IP via DHCP. Wait a few seconds for the connection to establish and for the network status to change to connected. You finish by verifying connectivity. Open Settings, go to Network and Internet, and check status for an active connection and internet access. If you see limited or no connectivity, run the Windows Network Troubleshooter to automatically detect common DHCP or adapter problems. If issues persist, restart the router and toggle your Wi-Fi adapter off and on. This resets IP leases and clears transient errors. One key tip.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.